T-Bone. Okay, T-Bone. So, can you tell me your name and who you are the parent of, and just any changes that you've seen from when Dana started her social good project till when she ended it?
My name is Fernando, and my daughter is Dana, and she's a student of T-Bone. And at the first project she had, she was kind of shy. And right now, on the second project that she's working on it, she's very confident and she has a lot of ideas, and she even wants to work on her schedule and organize everything. And it's a big change for me because she's a shy girl, but right now she's getting not so shy. And I'm so happy for her and proud of her because she wants to help some kids that are probably insecure about their drawings and arts probably. So I'm happy for her.
Spontaneous question. Have you changed in any way from when your daughter started her social good project to where she is now?
If I change?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, because I personally said that I never put so much attention on her because probably for my work, but right now I'm really, like I said, I'm really proud of her because she has a lot of potential in her and she wants to be somebody on life. So I'm so happy for that, and I think it's make me proud. So
Proud father right
Yep.
there.
Awesome. Yeah, thank you.
you're welcome.
Welcome.